Mario and the chef with your Sunday brunch.
All right, this is a great way to eat some waffles, a savory dish this morning. Our favorite chef, Frank Turner of the Class Cooking, is here
how
with
are you?
Good.
Mario, this is a great family get-together on a Sunday morning. Because the weather's warm now, you can start getting outside and everything. These are waffle nachos.
Okay.
You can either make your own waffles or life is easy, you can buy them. They have some really decent waffles you can get today. And then you get them, you toast them, do in the oven, depends on the package directions, cut them in quarters, and then we're going to start. Now, I did these kind of, nachos, kind of Mexican, Southwestern style. The eggs actually have Mexican seasoning in them.
Ooh, okay.
And then I chose the Mexican style chorizo. I don't want to get into a fiasco because I grew up in a Portuguese neighborhood, so I love the chorizo, but this is the Mexican because it's ground fine. Okay, so what I did with this is after I cooked it, you're going to put it all over. Now, once this is done, we have the eggs that are all scrambled, and you can put the eggs on. Now, if you want to make this totally meatless, you can. You can go with some is here, you can go with some diced squash, some other diced vegetables. Then once the eggs go on, we're going to finish it off with some cheese. Don't be cheap, put it all on, why not? And then once the cheese goes on, we're going to pop it in the oven. Actually, going to give you the rest, but this is a pico de gallo. Pico de gallo and salsa are similar. Pico de gallo means the beak, the chicken's beak. This goes on, then into the oven, just to melt them down. That's really, and then you can have at it.
Make sure I get a little bit of everything.
Yep. Actually, you can fold them up like a little, kind of like a little taco. Very, very simple.
Flavor is so good.
Well, Mario, it's the simplest ingredients. See how when you have fresh ingredients and you take care of them, everything is going to come up pretty decent. There's no complexity in cooking it whatsoever. It's a very, very simple procedure.
Really tasty.
Yeah, they are. They're really good. I mean, family of four can have at it.
Oh yeah, or one of me.
One of you, yeah. That's your breakfast this morning, and then you're good to go.
And
you and Duke can have these.
That's right. Duke will have it. What do you call it?
Waffle nachos.
Recipes on our website.
Turn10.com.
And we'll see you next week.
And we'll be here.